Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. This one is three-tire unit. Let's check the detail. You can put it in your bathroom or your balcony. It will decorate your room. This storage unit also made of MDF and self-assembly product. It's 3 tires. We also can make 4 tires, 5 tires. You can advise your idea. We can make any size, any color. Let's check the size. The length 23, the width 20, height 60 centimeters. It can load 4,000 pieces in 40 containers. Our MOQ only 300 pieces.